choosing the right centralized exchange is one of the most important things for people who wants to get started with trading crypto. But with all of these options that we have available from mainstream centralized exchanges that everybody knows about to newer exchanges that not a lot of people know about, but they offer better features, competitive pricing, and stuff. Now, this question, of course, is not easy for new beginners. So, and I personally get a lot of questions, people asking the exchange that I use and the exchange that I would prefer. Now, one of those that I have talked about previously on my channel is a centralized exchange called KCEX. Now, the reason why I suggested this is, for one thing, they have highly competitive pricing. And I think they offer the lowest when it comes to centralized exchanges. Now, people prefer centralized exchanges over decentralized exchanges because they offer more liquidity, but they often face issues with the fees or with the fact that they are centralized. Now, in this case, the pricing that you get is, I would say, even better than what you get on decentralized exchanges. Now, as you can see here, it says lowest trading fees. And if we go into details about their fees on different products, as you can see on spot, we will talk about different products, different features that they offer. They do have futures, and in that they have perpetual futures. And in spot, there's 0% for the maker, 0% for the taker. For futures, there's 0% for maker, and there's 0.01% for taker. That is very, very minimal. And if you go further in details of other fees related to different cryptocurrencies like USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you have all of those, down to about 72 pages, you can see the whole fees that we have here. They have the minimum deposit and minimum withdrawal, which is the information right here. But if you take a look at the deposit fees and the withdrawal fees, it's absolutely free. So when it comes to fees, I think this is the best that you can get. If we talk about regulations and licenses, it is licensed in multiple countries, including United States and Canada, but they are going forward with other licenses in other regions. So pretty soon it will be available in a wide range of countries. Now, we are going to talk about details on what we have in this exchange and what you can expect here, because we do have this rewards program. So when you register, you can do some stuff to get rewarded. We'll talk about that as well. So make sure that you watch till the end. As always, nothing here nothing here is a financial or an investment advice. It comes down to your strategies on when you enter and exit and the knowledge that your trades are based on. So make sure that you do your own investigation and proper research. Now let's get into details on what we have in this exchange. First of all, we have spot trading. So you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies for immediate settlement based on the market price. Then we also have futures. We have derivatives, we have futures, and in futures we have perpetual futures, which is really amazing because not a lot of exchanges offers perpetual futures. So I'm going to show you guys the interface that we have because that is important. If you're new here and you're getting started, you don't want to get yourself overwhelmed by a lot of details. So when it comes to user interface, it's quite, I would say, intuitive, and it's also very beginner friendly, but you still get all the information that you would need. Now currently we are in the, I'm guessing it is the spot market. So we are in the spot trading section, and I have the Bitcoin USDT pair open. You get that traditional trading view with all the indicators, different types of charts and timelines. So you can implement different trading indicators. And the one thing that I really like about this is you can customize these indicators in different colors. That is on your own choice. So you have other, optional customization that you don't usually get in other exchanges and other trading views. So That is pretty straightforward. On the right hand side, you get the order book, you get the market trades. In the bottom section, it will open up your orders, your positions, your previous orders, and stuff like those. On the right hand side, you can decide whether you want to buy Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin, and the amount and the current price and so forth. So this is pretty straightforward. You can also take a look at the futures trading. And again, we have the same pair open. Again, in the bottom side, you get the positions that we have opened. You get the order book on the right hand side, the market trades, and on the most right side, this is where you can open or close position, whether you want to go, whether you want to open long or open short, or you want to close long or close short. And you also get the option for leverage. And on the right hand side, you can see that we have option for limit. We also have option for market, and we also have option for trigger. So we can set up trigger for a specified, or we can set trigger for specific price if we want to open up a position on a specified price. So the trade is triggered, the position is opened when that price is breached. So you have all sorts of options, and you can also go into further details if you are an experienced trader. So you get everything that you would need, that any trader of any level would need from an exchange. You get all of that here. But the difference is, like I said before, the mainstream exchanges, they charge higher fees. They don't incentivize more users because they already have a huge base. But when it comes to newer exchanges, this is not actually that new. It was developed, it was launched in 2021. So it is it's been a lot of years that it's been around, but relative to those, it is new. And because of that, it offers things that those mainstream exchanges don't. And it is this one is on its way to becoming a mainstream centralized exchange. But I just hope that they don't stop their rewards and these programs that they are doing right now, which I think everybody would love. If you open up their rewards center, when you create your account, you're new here, you will have all these options available. For example, you get rewarded if you proceed to KYC verification. You get rewarded if you go for advanced learning. If you if you do a spot deposit, you get rewarded. If you complete a single spot trading volume of more than 200 USDT, you get rewarded, and stuff like those. So you have all these rewards available for you if you are new to this, which I think is really amazing. So if you are looking for a centralized exchange that covers all your needs and necessities when it comes to crypto trading, I think this is worth considering. I'll give you guys all their links that will be in the description, so you can easily sign yourself up and you can get started. If you get any trouble, you can contact them. They have a very active customer support, which is going to come handy when you need them. So make sure that you check it out. Again, all the links will be in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.